HD lace wig unit. This is their packaging, you guys know, and they also send you a box. You get an elastic band, a wig cap, which I already have on today, and hair care instructions. And in this bag, let's see what we got in here. This one. So this is a bonnet. Has Westkiss on the top front. I'm guessing this is a baby hair wrap. Another wig cap. Okay, with the wig caps. Another wig cap. And some 5D mink eyelashes. So here's the wig. Have a Bodywave wig unit. It has a hairnet on it. Coming off. And here is the wig. So again, this is a Bodywave 32-inch, 250% density wig unit. Extremely, oh my god, extremely full. I love Westkiss hair. They offer very full wigs, which is why I love reviewing for them. So full. This is extremely full, and it's sitting in my lap. So also it's HD lace. It's one of those wigs where you only get like ½ an inch on the sides and you get more parting space in the middle. So we'll see how that works with my hairstyle today. But I am going to go ahead and pluck this wig unit, and I'm going to pluck it off camera today. Because I really need to get into it. Because I want this to look really laid. So I'm just plucking it just like this, you guys. The knots on these things are huge. They're huge knots. But this is what I want to be doing, and I'll be putting it on and off my head to check it. Because I'm not bleaching today. Okay, so this is the lace. This is HD lace. It rips very easily, as you all know. I've already plucked it to how I wanted it. I may have to pluck some more, just depends, but for now. Also, you would know HD lace because it like frays at the ends. That's how you know that you have real HD lace. And clearly you could tell that you can't even see this, like at all. So anyways, I'm about to go ahead and cut. And as I cut, I'm pulling it. Really easy to cut too, you guys. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do some parting so that you guys can see where you get most of the parting space at. So this is the middle, which is where you get most of the parting space. Again, it's not bleached, so you get most of the parting space right here in this area. And then I'm gonna try to part on the side where I normally do to show you all how far back. See, it's starting to turn. So if I wanted to part my hair right here, it would have to be a flip over because this is all the parting space that I'm getting. Girl. So I'm gonna go ahead and brush it out. I love the waviness. It makes me want to keep it, which I might do, and just add a little bit of waves right here in the front. I think that's what I'm gonna do, you guys. Literally would be such an easy install. One side got waves, the other side don't. I think I'm going to keep my waves in and touch these waves up because I love this look. This is so cute. So what I'm gonna do first is put this clip behind my hair, but I have to go and get my waver. So give me a second, I'll be right back, period.